Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. This is in the post and it's being assigned in the post number 33. The first two coins that I'm going to show you are a twin pack that I got from Change Checker for the coronation. I have already done a review of this set of coins on the 6th of May, which was the coronation day. I did it as my coronation day video, so those have already been seen. Next one, we have the last of the Hogwarts series, or the Harry Potter series, and this is the Hogwarts School Strike Your Own. I have done a video on this issue as the Cooper Nickel and the coloured version. And I will be doing a review of this very shortly. Then I have two bunk packs. The first one is a Flying Scotsman. I have done a review on this, but this is the coloured version, which I didn't have at the time of doing the review, so in a very short period of time I'll be doing that. The last of the bunk packs is this one here, and I showed maybe 10 days ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I showed the Welsh Dragon version of this coin. This is another one of the Royal Mint coins that you can only buy at the Royal Mint. You cannot order it off their website, and there is no other way of doing it except if you either attend the Royal Mint shop at Clentrescent or go on the Royal Mint Experience tour at Clentrescent. They have them in there for sale. And lastly, I will be doing an update in the next next week or so of the trading cards, and there's some important news there. So that's a very short in the post, because I've done two just recently that have taken the rest of the stuff that I had already done, as I'd already done. So this is a shortened version of it. There's only 3 or 4 objects to show you, and so this is an addendum. This is an add-on to the in the post number 32, is it? 33, sorry. There are some stamps from posts that I've received. Also in the post I had a couple more of the gold colour cards, which is the WWF and the UK presidency of the EEC. I've also got some sticky pads to help me with my running of the channel. We have here then some coins. We have a animal coin from Africa, which is a lamb. On this one we have a fish coin from another from an African country. All of these I will be doing a review on. We have a country called Vanuatu. I've got a year set from them. I have 3 50 Barney coins from Yugoslavia, I think it is, yep. And I have a spare 50p. Now this one will probably be being taken out of the wrapping and put into my date run, my large date run. I also have something that some people will not like to see, but I'm afraid I'm a bit of a rock fan, and this set of stamps came out earlier on this year. It's to celebrate Iron Maiden. We have their mascot Eddie down in the bottom corner here, and we have, what was it, 8 stamps showing them live on stage. So I couldn't resist that when I saw it. I have also got a set of the coronation stamps coming shortly, but unfortunately they weren't available for the end of this. So this is Future Steve signing you back to the original one for in the post 33 to close out, and I'll see you again in a very short time. Bye bye now. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully, as a minimum, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am aiming between 225 and 250 subscribers by Christmas this year. I'm a little way off that yet, so I am looking to expand my subscription, as I always am. So if you've enjoyed this, can you give me the thumbs up, and also can you subscribe if you believe I deserve it. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now.